Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials, model and iOS, then back up so you can undo anything. Once done, sign into Wi-Fi and verify your Apple ID. Next, force close the messages and phone apps, swipe up and flick them off. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Airplane Mode are off. These block message delivery. Finally, restart the device with a normal power cycle. These steps clear temporary states and prepare the phone for the only full fix that follows. Now you'll reset the network and refresh Apple messaging services. Go to Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi and cellular caches that block voice messages. Once the phone reboots, open Settings and turn iMessage and FaceTime off, wait 10 seconds, then turn them back on to re-register with Apple servers. If cellular carrier updates appear, install them. If issues persist, briefly remove and reinsert the SIM to force carrier re-provision. Finish by testing. Send and receive a fresh voice message to confirm delivery. Once successful, restore any custom network settings you need. If messages still fail, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to refresh account tokens. Make sure voicemail is active with your carrier, because that can interfere. If none of this fixes it, contact your carrier or Apple support. Provide backup logs and steps you've tried. Troubleshooting tip. Check another iPhone on the same carrier to isolate network versus device problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.